In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload high-quality pictures on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to check our settings. So guys, head over to settings. I'm just gonna show you from the beginning. On the settings, we need to search for camera, and once we get into camera settings, we need to ensure that all the video and photo quality are set to high level so we can get into record video, and then we can switch it to 4K at up to 60 fps. I got 1080p at 30 fps because that quality is sufficient for me. And then the same about recording slow-mo, recording cinematics, and also I recommend you to check formats. So if we get into formats, I recommend you to switch it to most compatible, and also in here you can change photo mode. In here we can switch it from 12 to 24 megapixels. That will increase the quality of your photos. After that, just use your camera to take pictures. However, if then we go to Facebook app, and then if we'll try to add that picture as a photo using Facebook app, the bad news here that it will still reduce or downgrade the quality of that pictures. Basically, guys, the quality of this photo is sufficient to be used on Facebook mobile app, because as you can see now, the quality is quite good for that picture. However, if you would like to send a photo at maximum quality without any compressing or downgrading the quality, there is no way to do so on Facebook app. I recommend you to use one of the messengers app instead. Let's say I prefer to use Telegram, and on Telegram we can, if we get into some conversation, we can send any image as a file. To do that, we need to tap at that paper clip, and then down below here select file. After that, if we tap at select from gallery, it will open up our camera roll, and from here we'll be able to select a picture, and then if we tap at send, it will send that image as a file without losing any quality. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.